Alright, just a quick tutorial on printing Waterslide, and I'm actually printing smaller than a full sheet. As you can see, there's a full sheet and there's that because I don't always have enough stuff to fill it up. So I cut it down and I use the Silhouette Studio to design it. So I cut it down, measured it, and I entered in my page setup what I measured. And so that my design space basically matches my Waterslide size. Alright, so and I'm over here by my printer, and obviously my size is different, so I'm going to change that. And it's none of these, it's usually fine. So it is, let's see, oh. Five, uh-oh, no, let's go back, that's okay, so I've entered my dimensions and I'm done. I am gonna put my paper type on, you can't see, sorry, ultra glossy. Alright, so now that's set up. So now I come back over here and go to my printer. I go under preferences and paper quality, and I do photo paper glossy. Okay, apply and print. And here goes the printer. And just a reminder, the image is not mirrored or anything. If you do a lot of, stuff with the Silhouette, you might think it might be mirrored, but it's not. It's just, right side up. And what you want to do, once it comes all the way out, leave it to make sure that all the ink can dry. You don't smear anything. Just leave it sitting there for 10-15 minutes. Thank you for watching.